Good morning. Ajir topic composition of functions. First, we consider a function f from a set A to a set B. That means here A is your domain and B is the codomain for this function. So, such that any arbitrary jikunu element in the domain AX maps to the element what? F of x. Tarmane x or image ki hoy tumar f of x. Etia ami second function eta consider korisu g, where your domain is what? B. B amar ki asile first function to codomain aru amar g function to karone amar second function g karone ami ei domain ok ami codomain ok as a domain consider korisu. Aru then for any arbitrary element fx in B will have an image what? G of fx. Ita directly jodi ami consider koru in short A to C, where A is the domain and C is the what? Codomain. X, any arbitrary element in the set X will have an image what? G of fx. Aru a relation to ami a mapping to edi naam disu G not f, where f to tumar ki first function aru G to tumar second function. Aru define kena koribo G not fx equal to G of fx. F is your first function, your inside part is your first function and G is your second function. Aru domain ki hobo tumar A aru codomain C. The domain A tumar kor pora ahibo first function or domain. First function or domain f is your first function. So first function or domain A will also be the domain of this composition function G not f. Aru second function ki ase tumar G. Second function ase tumar G or second function or codomain ase tumar C. Aru he codomain, this codomain will also be the codomain of this function G not f. Clear? Now this G not f is called the composition functions of two functions f and g. So I repeat, G not f is the composition functions from the set A to the set C, where A is the domain of the first function f. This is your first function, the inside function is the first function, and C is the codomain of the second function G. Now ami eta example loi bujilo for the composition of the functions. Dhora the first set A is given by 2 3 4 5, second set by 3 4 5 9 and third set C by 7 11. Ita ami kenake relate korisu ami diagrammatically koilosu f is a function from the set what? A to B. Under the function f 2 image ki ase tomar 3 image ase 4 or image 5 aru tomar 5 or image 5. A function ita la ki function many one. 4 aru 5 or image tomar eketa ase 5. ঠিক আছে আৰু তোমাৰ ঠিক তেনেদৰে G এটা ফাংচন লৈছো from the set B to the set C, where B is the what? B কি আসলে তোমাৰ codomain আছিলে for the function f. আৰু এই G function টোৰ কাৰণে আমি B এইটো as a domain consider কৰিছো. 3 image আছে 7 4 image 7 5 11 9 11. আকৌ এই G function টো তোমাৰ many one function এ হয়. Next এটালে আমাৰ G not f A to C পৰা হ'ব. G not f আমাৰ A পৰা C লে হ'ব. তো আমি G not f কেনেকুৱাকে হৈছে চেক কৰো. এতিয়া x a domain কি আছে তোমাৰ G not f ত A আছে. তো আমি x খিনি কৰ পৰা লম? A সেটৰ পৰা লম. G not f কি লম? For x equal to 2. X equal to 2. G f of 2. F of 2 image কি পাইছা? 3 পাইছা. So আমি 3 লিখি দিছো. Next G of 3. 3 image কি পাইছা? 7. তো আমি কি কব পাৰো? A 2, the element 2 in the set A is linked directly to the element 7 in the set C. That means 2 for the element 2, image of 2 is what? 7th under the map G naught F. Clear? Next আমি check কৰো G for the element 3. G naught F of 3. F of 3 image কি আছে under the map 4 F 4 লিখিলো. G of 4 image আছে 7. That means the element 3 in the set A has image what? 7 under the map G naught F. Similarly, G naught F 4 F of 4 image as a 5. Then G of 5 to 11. That means 4 has the image 11 under the map G naught F. Similarly, G naught F5 F of 5 F5 or image as a 5. Then G of 5 to 11. That means the element 5 has the image 11 under the map G naught F. Next আমি F naught G কি হয় চাই লওঁ. আগতে আমি কি পঢ়িছিলো G naught F চাইছিলো আৰু G naught F ত তোমাৰ ডোমেইন আছিলে A আৰু কোডোমেইন আছিলে তোমাৰ C. First function asile F, second function asile tumar G. But amar F not G completely opposite. F not G tumar G tumar inward function. So tumar first function ki hobo G. First and foremost me consider koribo lagibo G is a function from C to B. X at a arbitrary element loba in the domain C. Image ki ase bol hoiba Gx under the map G. Now with the codomain of B, we will consider as the domain for the function what? F. F your second function where domain is the same as the codomain of the first function G. Then any arbitrary element B element bilak kenakon G of X. G of X or image bilak kenakon hobo F of Gx under the map what? F. It directly C to A আমি A mapping to consider কৰিব পাৰো F not G আৰু define কেনে কৰিব F not G X. এটা এই X খিনি ক'ত থাকিব তোমাৰ C because C is the domain for the first function G আৰু here first function is what? G. Here G is your first function আৰু আমি first function domain to consider কৰিম. So C আছে X খিনি তেতিয়ালে তোমাৰ domain এই X খিনি তোমাৰ domain ত থাকে. Your domain is what? C. So for all X belongs to C, our relation will be what? F of G of X. Our codomain amar ki hobo A because amar second function F or codomain ase A. Clear? Now G naught F is not equal to F naught G. Why? F naught G tumar ki hoise soa for domain ase C aro codomain ase A, but G naught F ot tumar domain A ase aro codomain C ase. So both are not same. So আমি এটা example লৈ consider কৰিব পাৰো F আৰু G আমি দুটা ফাংশন লৈছো domain real number আৰু codomain real number. That means F আৰু G domain আৰু codomain একে. F of X আমি define কৰিছো cos X আৰু G of X আমি define কৰিছো by 3x squared. First and foremost আমি G naught F find out কৰো. এটা domain আৰু codomain একে যেতিয়া G naught F or domain or codomain eke hobo. It means A or C eke hoy. Real numbers to real numbers. The G naught F definition or mote tumar ki hobo? G of Fx. Fx or hat ki paisa? Cos X put kori diba. Thik ase? Now yet so. When here we have X, then what we get here? X square. Clear? Yet amar X thakile ami ki pao X square. 3x square. So yet amar X or hat ki ase? Change of variable in place of X we have what? Cos of X. So my variable change kori pelai yat ki hobo 3 cos X whole square. Yat amar ase 3x whole square. So yat amar X or at cos X ase. So 3 cos X whole square. Clear? So amar hobo 3 cos square X. Next ami find out korim F not G. Yat amar domain A from domain C hobo codomain A hobo yat tomar real se hobo F of Gx or definition amar ki asle 3x square likhiba. Next F of X yat X thakile amar ki hoy cos of X then cos of X yat amar ase 3x square then what will have cos of 3x square. Clear? X ot hat amar ase 3x square. So cos of 3x square is not equal to 3 cos square X. is not same as this. So what we can say, g not f we get cos square x, and f not g we get 3 cos square x. Both are not same, so they are different.